Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making some sweet and sour chicken in a crock pot because I got a lot to do today and I don't want to mess this up for later. So give me a second and we'll get started. Let's get started. What we have here is I got some chicken breast, skinless chicken breast. I got a jar of homemade canned pineapples, some sweet marmalade, sweet orange marmalade. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is put a liner in my crock pot because I really don't like cleaning these. And everybody knows it. A bag. Line that up. This is real easy to make. More or less called a dump meal. We'll add rice later. I'll make some rice to go with it tonight. Okay. Got my little liner in there. Help to clean up afterwards. Okay, let's put the chicken in there. Okay. Alright. Layer them around. Put one more in there, then I'm going to dump some of this pineapple on top of it. There we go. Pineapple. Put some of the juice in there. Okay. And I'm just going to layer some pineapple in there. Alright. Now put these other chickens on top, and then we'll put the rest of the pineapple and the marmalade on it. And we'll be ready to go. Alright. There's that. I'm going to use a whole jar. Those are pretty big chunks of chicken, so. First time I made this, they didn't think they would like it. Sweet and sour chicken. You know, like this. And they tried it, they really liked it, so they trust me now. And we'll just put the rest of the pineapple on top, spread it around. And there's what it looks like. And we're going to cook that until about 5 o'clock, and then we'll make our rice and stuff to go with it. Okay. Plug it in. Now, my husband made me a plug up here in the vent of the stove because I have none on this back wall. So it comes in really handy. Alright, plug that in. We're going to put that on low. Put the lid on it. Make sure this one. There we go. Okay, put the lid on it, and there we go. The main dish for supper is cooking. So we'll check back later when it's all done, and I'll show you what it looks like. See you then. Okay, guys, here's the end result of my sweet and sour chicken using pineapple juice, and orange marmalade. The chicken's nice and tender. Smells really good, too. And I made a side dish of rice with some butter noodles. And that's what we're having for supper tonight. So, let me know what you think. Give it a try. It's a real easy meal to make. And it tastes so good. So, have a good night and goodbye.